What's up everybody, Gabe Moen here, back in the Mutant Mansion for another Mutant Meals. I'm gonna make this one a fun one. This is actually one of my #1 seller smoothies at G Standard Gym, where I'm from in Tacoma. But today, this is called the Snickers. Aptly named because we're gonna be using caramel, peanut butter, chocolate iso surge. Actually, let me be specific. Chocolate fudge brownie, because we have a couple different chocolates. We have triple chocolate and chocolate fudge brownie. My favorite, personal fave, is the chocolate fudge brownie. So make sure that you guys are using the right chocolate, okay? Cool, moving on. I've put just enough water in there to cover up my blades, right? So if you guys have a flat bottom type blender, which this one's kind of concave and sinks down, just fill the water up just over the blades, submerge them. That should be enough. We're only using 2 scoops of iso today with this one. I typically use 3 because I'm a big dude, but we're gonna go with 2 today. It's gonna taste all the same stuff. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 50 grams of protein, just like that with 2 scoops. Magic. 50 grams of protein, you'd have to wax like a 7-ounce chicken breast. With the peanut butter, we're gonna use 2 tablespoons. This is organic peanut butter. This is the good stuff. So it's got the oil that separates, so you gotta stir it a little bit before you put it in. So I'm gonna put 1, right? And then 2, here we go. That's gonna be tasty. And then I eyeball this. You guys can go ahead and measure it out to a tablespoon. I measure it out to sweetness. Done. All right. Onto here, let's grab some ice. Give me a bowl. I want some crushed ice. If you guys have the ability to do crushed ice, do so, because the consistency of your smoothie is gonna be much smoother, much better if you can use a pre-crushed ice, okay? It's easier on the blender, much better. Turn this thing on. Right off the bat, man, I nailed the consistency again. I can't believe I did it. Bon appetit. You guys will enjoy this, I promise. I need a victim to come in here and taste test this because I am dieting, but I'm still making them. You guys can do it too. If you're dieting, make one for your wife. Don't be a pussy. Come on, let's do this. Thanks for joining me today, guys. Snickers, a la mode, Mutant style. We'll see you guys in the next one.